Hello, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to DIY this headband. This is a threaded headband. Just look at this. This is beautiful. So, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And we are doing that. Thank you for doing that. So, let's get ready. Let's DIY. Our material needed fabric, our Alice band, needle and thread, our glue gum that we're going to use for this project, our tape rule and the scissors. So see what I'm doing. So my measurement for this is going to be 58 by 12 inches, 50 inches long and 12 inches wide. I've already sewed this part. I don't want the video to be very long, so it's a short video. Just see what I'm doing. I've already sewed that part and I've torn it out. 58 inches by 12 inches wide. Just see what I'm doing. That is the first part. The first part, yes, 12 inches. You can reduce the length, you can reduce the wideness, just depend on you. But if you want it fuller, it's okay like this. If you want it very full, it's okay like this. So this is the second part where I'm going to cover my Alice band. I'm going to cover my Alice band with this pieces of fabric that remain. I'm going to cover my Alice band. So let's go to the next step. First step is our measurement, and this is our second step. So I'm going to cut these pieces into two because I need the two pieces. I need the two pieces. I'm going to fold. Just what I'm doing. I'll fold. I'm going to add my hot glue. You fold. Yeah, just what I'm doing. Then use your hand to press that part. Just keep doing it. It's very easy. Just see what I'm doing. You add your hot glue to the both side, then you wrap. You keep wrapping till you get to the last place. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. You keep doing. You can use any fabric of your choice, but this will just be lovely when you use not stretching material, just like your African print, your doll face. The material I'm using is doll face. It's called doll face or shiny doll face, anyone you feel like calling it. So I've already covered my Alice band. I've covered my Alice band. I'll be going to the second part. I'm going to do my ruffle part. So I'll be going to the next step. I'm going to the next step. I have a long rope. I have a long rope. So I'm going to push it in. You can use pin to put, but I'm going to use my hand since it's very wide, so it's just easy to enter. Just what I'm doing. You bring it out to the other side. You start from the first side and bring it out. You draw it out. You create your ruffle part there. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. Just keep doing what I'm doing. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Wow, it's coming out. The beauty of the headband is coming out. Ruffle part is coming. And just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Just give it a nice shape and use your hand to set it. Use your hand to set it. Yes, at the edges you are going to sew that part. You sew it with the rope down. Make sure you sew it very tight. I'm going to show you how I sew that part. So I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew that part. Just see, I will close that part and I will hide my thread. You're going to hide your thread. Close the two parts with needle and thread. Just the way I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. Just sew. Make sure you sew it very tight. You can sew it on your sewing machine. That will be very fast. Do that on your sewing machine. So I'm done with this. I'm done with the ruffle part. So I'll be taking to the Alice band. I will glue it together. That is the best way to do. You're going to glue it together. Just glue it together. Just see what I'm doing. I'm going to use my hot glue and glue it together. Yes, see what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook as of Minion, and don't forget to follow our illustration page as of Minion. So my Facebook account is Queen Pretty. On Instagram style by Minan. Just see, wow, wow. So guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video.